A serene Japanese garden sits before a beige house, featuring a lily pad pond and a wooden deck with chairs. Meticulous plantings and purple blooms create a harmonious atmosphere. At dusk, a wooden house with large windows overlooks a lush garden. Warm lights illuminate the deck and waterfall pond, while the setting sun paints the sky in blue and orange hues. This tranquil garden features a cascading waterfall and a wooden walkway. A deck offers space for outdoor dining, perfectly blending the wooden home into its natural surroundings. Enjoy a peaceful garden featuring a rocky pond and a traditional Korean building. A visitor rests on a wooden bench, surrounded by lush greenery and a classic perimeter fence. Nestled in a residential area, this Japanese garden offers a waterfall pond and a relaxing deck. Enclosed by cream walls, the space stays tranquil even under soft, overcast skies. This modern white house features expansive windows and a wooden patio. Surrounded by trees and large rocks, the sleek architecture harmonizes beautifully with the blue summer sky. A backyard oasis features a stone-bordered pond and a waterfall under a wooden pergola. Artificial lights and a bonsai tree enhance the patio, crafted with elegant brick pavers. Discover a cozy outdoor dining area set on a wooden deck. A purple maple tree adds a splash of color to this garden, which features a rustic pergola and a serene waterfall pond. This modern home integrates a Japanese garden with a stone bridge and a grand tree. Warm lighting and dark wooden pillars create a tranquil, high-end architectural atmosphere. A white house with a red roof overlooks a charming deck and stone pathway. Lush greenery and a small pond create a vibrant backdrop for this peaceful, light-filled sanctuary. A vibrant mix of red and green foliage surrounds this pond and pergola. A stone path leads to the water, where a glass-fronted house adds a modern touch to the picturesque scene. At dusk, lanterns illuminate a koi pond and waterfall beside a white house. The wooden deck and warm porch lights create a glowing, peaceful retreat amidst the dark greenery. This modern two-story home features a glass patio and a red maple tree. Goldfish swim in the pond below, while warm interior lights make the wooden architecture feel inviting. Orange koi swim peacefully in a pond framed by a wooden lattice and pergola. A black lounge chair offers a front row seat to this lush, tranquil, and flower-filled backyard. A vine-covered pergola shades a small dining set beside a waterfall. This two-story home is tucked behind a lush variety of ferns and colorful blooms for ultimate tranquility.